All right, let's talk about an actual tour of My Homeschool Village. We are hosted on a platform called Mighty Networks. Now, you purchased this program on a separate platform called DriveCart, and that's where you purchased it. Mighty Networks hosts the actual program. It's the only program we could find to host everything that we wanted to do. If you need to cancel your membership, make sure that you send us an email because if you cancel in here, it does not necessarily cancel your payment on the other side. And we will make sure that happens for you. So if you do want to cancel, if you do not find this program is working for you, make sure you message Trish or send her an email and I will put those links below. In the meantime, let's give you a little tour, shall we? Okay, the number one place you want to be is discussions, right? In here, we have what we're talking about. We have daily posts in here. Moms are asking questions. I'm giving advice. Sometimes we just post something motivating. Sometimes the mom is just asking for a little help somewhere. If you'll see right here on the top, this is our color coding. If you have purchased the resource vault only, you don't need this mostly. Okay. This is more for our online co-op and our homeschool pro. It's a color coordination of the actual live classes that we offer our children. If you purchase the social, you'll see some of this. So depending on what you purchase, you'll see parts inside the village. So don't worry too much about this. That's what that's for. At what you need to know are number one, let's start at the top here. This is the feed. These are the latest posts that have been going on and things that are happening. You'll see information there. You will see information from people posting about the classes, the live classes that our kids are in activities that are going on, whatever it is, you'll see it all in here. The village news is just where you can overlook some of our posts and decide if there's something you want to read specifically. The live classes. Now, this is where you're going to find your pre-K classes. If you're in the vault only, you will see the pre-K classes loaded here. You will see the lives with mom in here, and you will see the mom groups in here. Although it looks like we're having a loading problem. You can click this button and see the actual calendar. This calendar, when you push this button, will actually be synced to any of your Google, Apple, or Outlook calendars, and then it's on your phone or your computer or wherever you need that to be. So you can do it that way. What you'll find is, so today we have spelling, little economics, little learners, elementary Bible. If you're not in the online co-op, then you will only see the little learners for your preschooler. And then like today, it's over now. Our mom hangout would have shown up for you. So this just gives you an overview. When the live classes show up, I'm not sure what is wrong with my computer right now. You will see the classes in line of what's coming up, whether it's our groups, whether it's our moms, whatever it is, it will be in here when the computer's working. Make sure you go to members area. Here's why you want it. Okay. What you want to do is you want to get here and you want to click near you. This will give you the moms that are within like, I think the same, I'm not sure if it's 100 miles. I think you can even change that. But you will find the moms who are near you. What we have seen happen in this group is moms have gone in here and reached out to the women who are near them. They're meeting up, they're going to lunch, their kids are getting to know each other, they're planning their own play dates and group dates. We've had a lot of mom make lifelong friends through this group by using that members near you tab. So that's the main reason you want that, okay? Go find out who lives near you and reach out to them. Message them. That's the point of this village. Go ahead and message them. Say, hey, I live nearby. Let's talk. Okay, you've got the welcome section, which you've obviously found because you're here. Quick links. Once you've gone all the way through this welcome section and you understand the village and how it works, quick links is your quick spot to go to the curriculums that we offer. Okay. Once you're in here, you'll see here's all of the programs, no particular order, but as soon as you need to get into one, just click it. And if you have already logged in on that computer, it should go right in there to your login, or you can log in again. But that is how you get to things quickly. Once you've got everything set up, just head to quick links, click the one you're on, boom, you're there if you haven't bookmarked it already. Okay. Um, then we're going to go to our share and earn program. This is where you can learn or you will find out how you can share the program. My dream with My Homeschool Village was to create a company that would allow moms to work from home, make money from home without actually taking time from their children. So that's what we've created here in My Homeschool Village. When you share My Homeschool Village with your friends and they sign up under your link, you get 20% of the fee. So if they're paying $100 a month, you'll get $20 of that in your bank account, but not just that. Every month they stay, you continue to get that 20. Okay, you get recurring income off of this. As long as they're in the program, you get $20 a month for them to be there. Now, if they sign up for the one of the higher classes, whether if they sign up for the co-op, the social club, you get 20% of whatever they purchase, and it will be recurring into your bank account, which will all automatically happen once you're set up. And this program shows you how. We give you exactly how to post. We show you what to share, how to share. We give you all the easy answers in there. And this, we have a lot of moms who have shared it enough that they don't even pay for this program anymore. Those commissions are paying for not only this program, but even more in their lives. Just an option for you. This is a way that we help moms be able to continue homeschooling, staying home with their kids, because that's our number one priority here. Okay, the village or the fall class schedule you will only see if you are a Homeschool Pro member. If you are a Homeschool Pro member and you are in the classes, you can click on here and we will have the updated fall schedules for our classes going on live. If you are not a Pro member and you'd like to be a Pro member, there are links for you to sign up. Generally, we have a waiting list. It's full. If as soon as an opening happens, we send out a message to our first the waiting list, and you get 24 hours to respond and sign up, or it goes to the next person on the waiting list. And that's how we do the Homeschool Pro. If it is open for purchase, it's because we have spaces. So if you do see it open for purchase, you want to jump in. Here's your preschool, right? I showed you if you saw that. If not, um, those are your information for your preschool. Now, the rest is done by day of the week. Okay. We have each day of the week and all the classes available in here. Now, if you purchase the vault, you don't see all these classes. You only see the things that you have access to. So on Monday, you can have, I leave the morning rhythm. That's for your information. It's just another way I've homeschooled in the past. I find it works really well. And so I leave it on there as a suggestion for you. You have the little kids you get to use that. And then you have the mom groups, the yellow, the mom life support and the homemaking group as well. Tuesday, I don't believe there's the little learners you'll have, but see, these are all the classes that you get when you're in the pro. Wednesday, there's the Wednesday rhythm, Wednesday mom live. So whatever you see, you have access to. If you would like to upgrade, let us know. I'm working on those links right now to get those available so that you can upgrade if you'd like to. In the meantime, just message Trish, support at myhomeschoolvillage.com, or you could private message her here in the group. Okay. Here's the unit studies. If you purchase those, all your unit studies are here. And then we have here live recordings. These are my Monday lives where I come in and I coach you and help you and guide you and direct you. And then I record them and pop them in here in case you missed it and you want to see it later. We have the file cabinet here, and these are just really cool things that either we made as homeschoolers, either I did or one of our moms in the group did, and we just want to share. Look what I made for my kids, and they've really loved it. Here, guys, you can have it. This is where we put a lot of that in here. We have special needs resources. We have all these kinds of lessons, planners, books recommended by age, skip counting sheets, like little math things you can print out. It's kind of a hodgepodge of information for you to play with. Here we have a place where you can share your talents. If you have a business you're running and you would like to, sorry, wrong one. Share your talents is if you would like to work for My Homeschool Village one day. By all means, this is where you put your interest. When we go to hire, we go here first. We look at our moms, we hire within the family first. And if we can find it within the family, that's where we go. And if we can't find it within the family, then we do look outward. But this is where we go first for moms who are looking for full-time jobs with My Homeschool Village. Share your side gig is for those who have businesses. You have a side business, we want you to be able to share it. We just need to be able to not turn the group into a big spam group, right? So this is where you come in, show your stuff. We encourage the moms to come in here and look at your businesses before they look at Etsy. Favorite resources is when the moms just want to share stuff. Favorite games, these have educational games in them. Health ideas, recipes, cleaning hacks, books, and school supplies. These are like, if you click on one, I don't think we've actually started that one yet. Sorry. Let me find one. Our games. Oh, see, she started posting right here. Klondike magnetic game. People will start to tell you what they like for learning games. So this is where we go to share those. This has just been opened up, so it's a little empty right now, but it is filling up. And then I'm trying to think what else. You're seeing way more than you need right here. There is our call us number if you need some help. There's our phone number. You're welcome to call. We do try to answer when we see it, but we are still homeschool moms who are homeschooling our own children. So please be patient with us. And then if you want to book the Zoom call, there's one here, or if you need to update your billing info, there's a link here. Okay. If you need to, change your settings because you're getting way too many notifications. You come up here to this little bell, click the bell, click this settings button. When you get into that settings button, you can turn on email or mobile or both on, both off. You come in here and you can turn off whatever announcements you don't want. Make sure you turn on the ones you do want. And you go, there's a lot. See how much you could get annoyed at every day. And we know this could be extremely annoying. So make sure that you come through here. Look how many there are. Yeah, you want to opt out where you can. Opt out where you don't want to hear. Okay. And then opt in for the things you do want to hear so you don't start just not paying attention at all to what's going on in the village. We want you to be able to understand everything happening. Last but not least, private message. Come right here to our little chat bot. Click that. This allows you to talk to me, Tony, Trish, or any woman in the village. Come in here and you can tap, or one of the teachers even. So you might put in my name, just type in the name. These are conversations I'm having with people. Rebecca, click me. You can add 5 women to this if you want. You can add 1 woman to this if you want. You can, but this is where you can do Trish Saxby. She is our customer service. She runs the billing. Start a new chat. Click her, start the chat. And you can have a private chat with her in there. Nobody else will see it. Only those you include in this conversation. Okay. Clicking the wrong buttons. All right. I'm trying to think. I think that's about it. Now, if you do have the co-op, if you do have the social clubs, all you do that's different here is click the day of the week and the classes that you are now have access to are visible. Okay. They'll pop up. All you got to do is click on the next one. Pay attention to the color coding. Each of your children's ages are color coded. But all you do is click on the day. We've tried to color code this program as much as possible. Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, so we've got that color coded and all the live classes. I'm gonna see if our live classes button's working. Doesn't look like it is. Really wanted to show you that. And then remember, so when you go here to discussions, you'll see that color coding here. You can see in here what color each child is. Tell your child, you're green. Go join all the green classes. And they can literally come in here and look. They can see the green. They can click that particular class. They don't miss it. Okay. It's that simple. They can click the day, see them all, or they can click on just the class and they'll see that there. Okay. That's our tour for My Homeschool Village. I know it's a lot of information, but when you are educating 12 years worth of children at every stage level and different parents with different needs, it's a little chaotic. So please reach out if you have any help. If you need any help, we also love when women want to help. If you're ever interested in being one of our mentors, please reach out to us. We love to have more mentors to help more moms like you.